Original, bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's Frankierose.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jaytee To. If today's your first time of seeing me, that's my name. So if today's your first time of seeing my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. Okay? Today I'm feeling yellow, I'm feeling mustard, I'm feeling all that vibe. I'm inspired by this Ankara print right here, and that's the look I'll be going for. Mustard, yellow, red, blacks. That's what we are doing today. I'm going to start by applying the Frankierose eyeshadow base. I'm just going to tap this all over my lid. I'm going to start the look by taking Sigma E38, and I'll be taking the Makeupaddictions Sinful Eyes palette. I'm going to start the look by taking Cranberry Liquor. And this, I want this to be my main crease color. So every other eyeshadow that I use in my crease, I'm just going to use that to soften this look. I want this to be the main crease color. Now I'll be taking Sigma E40, and I'll be taking Wildfire. Let's go back into that first shade. Then I'll go back into Wildfire again. Now I'll be taking the shade Shameless. Now I'll be taking the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm just gonna tap that right on my lid. For my lid color, I'll be taking this shade right here from the James Charles palette. Now I'll be taking the shade Night Move. I'll place this in my outer corner. And then I'll go back into Night Move. Going back into Sigma E40, I'll be taking more of the shade Cranberry Liquor, and I'm just gonna tap that right in the middle. Now I'll be taking the Skindinivia. Now I'll be using the Full Spectrum Mattifying Primer. For foundation today, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty, and this is the shade 400. Highlight, I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is the shade Golden. I'm going to set my under eyes using the Sacha Buttercup.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me one for me, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go.
I'm going to line my lips with Colourpop Ellarie.
Then they feel me anytime they see me on the video. They want man a bad man, they can try this. What my brand is okay. Anytime they see me.
And for lips, I'll be using the Makeupaddictions Red Loose. Red Loose. I'm going to set my entire face using the Urban Decay All Nighter. After that, I'll be taking the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's Frankierose.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. What my band.
Alright, this completes the look. I really love how it turned out. You guys know I love yellow. Each time I do yellow eyeshadow, I never paired it with like red, you know, in the middle, or red lipstick. So this is like something new to me. I feel like I got this. I love how it turned out. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Let me know if you guys would like to see more of Ankara print inspired looks. I had fun actually creating this. This turned out really really nice. It turned out exactly how I pictured it, so that's exciting. Well, this is now, it's not the time to say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Again, if you guys recreate the look, tag me, send me pictures. I would love to see your recreations. I do appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.